Okay, this is the Edexcel Statistics A-Level Specimen Paper 1 from 2019, and this is question 7. So if you've got it, that would be great. Okay, so a new trainee, Dylan, in the Town Planning Department for a large town is investigating a likely parking need for a new housing development of 30 individual homes. He is required to plan adequate parking places for all homes. Dylan obtains up-to-date information to use for planning from the DVLA, the Driver Licensing Agency, regarding car registrations. The following table summarizes the information. So we've got that here. Make any necessary assumption and use an exact distribution and Dylan's information to find the probability that for a new development more than 15 homes will have at most one car. So at most one car means the probability is 0.18 plus 0.47, which is 0.65. So, binomial. 30 homes, 0.65. I want the probability that x is greater than 15. So if I do my 0, 14, 15, 16, 30, I know that greater than 15 is not 15, because greater than 15 means 16 or more, so that, which is the same then as greater than or equal to 16, which is the same as 1 minus less than or equal to 15. I need 1 minus, go to the distribution, stats, binomial, cumulative, I want 15 or 30 and it's 0.65. So I take away 0.065, 189474 gives me 0.93481026. Is approximately equal to 345. Okay, question 1. At least 27 homes will have fewer than 3 cars. Fewer than 3. So fewer than 3 means all of this. So the probability is going to be 0.9. So we're now going, let's call it y, is binomial 30, 0.9. We want at least, which means we want greater than or equal to 27. 2, 0, 26, 27, 28, 30. Greater than or equal to 30 means 1 minus less than or equal to 26. 1 minus. Change that to 26 and change the probability to 0.9. 0.35256, which is 0.64744. 0.647. Okay, that's the first bit done. B, explain why Dylan may not gain the accurate information he needs regarding parking requirements for the new development using DVLA data, including a suggestion. Shows his suggestions, Dylan, regarding planning for the parking needs. So, DVLA is where you register your car. So we are looking at the probabilities they're giving us for car registrations following summaries. So that must be for the whole country, I'm assuming. So he has got information from the DVLA on average what everyone is doing. So it might not match the probabilities in Dylan's town, wherever that is. It may be for the so that could be something. So it probably won't match his town. And the development may also be quite small, because we're only talking 30 homes. That does seem quite small. Well, they may be massive houses. If they're massive houses, then people that've got a lot of money can buy them, and they'll probably end up with quite a few cars potentially. So there's that issue. So what we really need for Dylan is if he could get some local information about the people in the local area and use those statistics. So if it's, his expectation, is it going to be massive or small? So try and get some local information. So DVLA is probably UK average cost probabilities, therefore not suitable. Perhaps for Dylan's town. If a small estate, 30 houses, it's not 600, that's down the road from here shortly, with Middle, 30 houses, then they might be 30 big houses that cost a lot and owners may own more than a few cars. Suggest Dylan contact reviews local residents to get an understanding of the local requirements. Parking.